Diddy's attorney, Mark Agnifilo, is not happy about how things played out for his client, as Diddy was shockingly picked up on Monday evening. So for those who are unaware, Diddy had been in New York over the last week in preparation to turn himself in. He knew charges were coming. He knew he was a part of a federal indictment. Obviously, his home that got searched, and clearly somebody tipped Diddy off that his time was near to at least be picked up or incarcerated and charged with a part of this indictment. And you know, Diddy had plans on turning himself in on Tuesday morning, but according to Diddy's attorney, something changed. The attorney said he came here to turn himself in. Why doesn't the government want him to turn himself in? Because then they can't ask for detention. All we can do is show good faith. He got on a plane and came here. They arrested a guy who came here to turn himself in. There is something there to that. And, you know, the U.S. District Attorney that spoke about Diddy's ongoing case wouldn't say anything about that specifically. Something happened. Listen, y'all, more times than not, law enforcement will honor you turning yourself in. You're saving us a lot of time. You're saving us a lot of resources by turning yourself in. What changed between Monday and Tuesday? One of the things the gentleman that spoke as details emerged about Diddy's incarceration, one of the things I heard the gentleman say was Diddy and his team label it as cooperative with law enforcement officials. The attorney said they were cooperative. I think this is a U.S. District Attorney said he wanted to make sure it's known that we do not consider Diddy to be cooperative, right? So whatever Diddy and his legal team were trying to do, it was denied by the feds. They picked him up. They did it without him knowing, and his attempted turn himself in Tuesday morning was denied, and they picked him up Monday. I want to know what changed. What made these people feel like they couldn't allow Diddy to turn himself in willingly and fight that way? Why did they need to turn it up and use those resources to catch Diddy off guard? Just how violent do they think this man is? You know what I mean? Just what there are questions out there like, what did they believe Diddy was going to even turn himself in? Like, do they think Diddy was going to pull a 180 at the last minute? Did they think Diddy was going to be a fly? Like, there's so much. I'm curious to know why, though, this more than anything. What changed between Monday evening and Tuesday morning that made the feds pick up Diddy instead of letting him turn himself in? His attorney is not happy about it, rightfully so. By the way, when I listen to his attorney, Mark, talk, Mark sounds stressed as hell. I don't hear the confidence that I hear from a Bradford Cohen, who has represented Kodak Black over the years, a couple other attorneys that have represented guys like Youngboy. They always find a way to get their clients off. I didn't hear that confidence in the voice of Diddy's high-profile attorney. Obviously, a lot of money, a lot of power at stake when we're talking about who's going to represent Diddy. Let me know your thoughts. I'm out. All right, y'all. The NFL season is here. Head over to Underdog Fantasy. Use my promo code Ferro. You can already make your picks for the entire season. Here are some guys that I believe are going to have great years. If your picks are correct, you're going to win a lot of cheese. Use my promo code Ferro. Tell me when you did it. I might even give you a free copy of Madden 25 or NCAA College Football 25.